After so many days, we are going on a dog. We are going on a early morning ride with my pals. We'll talk later. First, we need to pick up one of our friend. He's been waiting for 1.5 hours now. Hey Nazi, say hi. Hi Anle. We finally starting towards our destination. We got our vehicle refueled and all. It was a lengthy ride in cold morning. So now we came to have some breakfast. How was the breakfast?
Was okay. Okay. A tea costs $25.
Interesting turn of events. We are facing unexpected rain.
The weather is cool. Raju, where are you?
Rajshekhar is stuck in traffic.
Raju, where is he?
So we are just waiting for him while enjoying the beauty of the rain and the traffic. The place where we are going is called as?
Kolli Hills.
You know the other name of the place?
Kolli Malai.
Mountain of Death.
Oh my god.
I didn't tell you that before, right? That's why. Okay. So we are stopped at the bottom of Kolli Hills. The road ahead is having 70 hairpin bends, 70 of them. So we thought like we'll just call our parents or relatives before we start our ascent to the top. So you can see them both like talking over the phone. Even I did call my mom. So it was a nice journey. Like the roads are pretty good in here and it's very much accessible. This place can also be accessed by government buses. This one starts from Salem. There are from other places as well. So you don't like, it's not like you will have to have your own vehicle to reach here or something.
Bike ride is a good.
Bike ride is awesome because you are literally floating over the nature
Bike ride is
on
awesome.
2 wheels. The thing is it's drizzling, so the weather is nice, but you can't see the same impact when you come here on summer. So the best time I would recommend is either rainy days, like the end of rainy days and starting of your winter. But yeah, because since there are some storms blooming around from the Bay of Bengal, the weather is like monsoonish, I can say. So we are starting our 70 hairpin bend journey. I will try to record each and every one of them, but if the camera runs out of battery then can't help but I'll try my best. Also it's drizzling, so it may get blurry at times. when you're taking a blind curve. 10 and 60 more. Can you smell this? Dude, can you smell this flower? What kind of flower is this? Our Najish here making a documentary of his own. I'll probably steal his videos and make it as mine own, so don't worry. It's 19th one and wait, 50 more to go, 51 more to go. Look at the fog. Man, these flowers, I don't know what kind of plants are there here. They're smelling so good. I mean, looks like the last time I was feeling this fresh was when I was born. All the other days are in pollution, man. Oh, wow.
I think people who are paying 299 rupees should come here.
One bad thing is our friend's bike is spritting all its water on my face, on my visor.
I can see.
So I better tell you, hey you, stop doing that. Yeah, this is the 26th. Nothing's visible, nothing's visible, nothing's visible. And if you can't believe this is like 2 p.m. now. I don't know if there's a bend in the 50 meters.
There's a bend.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. But I could see a data cable lying there. Yeah.
I mean clutch.
This lorry guy has stopped in the middle, man. Why? It's a good thing though. Yeah.
See the uphill. How they might have constructed this road.
Making this uphill road is an uphill task.
Yep.
Okay. Oh shit, there's an under construction road. Oh man, this is dangerous. Cyclists. Foggy mornings. Just imagine waking up in this place. Like you sleep somewhere and your home is like this. You don't want to miss any single movement of this road, right? 54th.
Can you see something, dude?
Nothing, man. There's nothing.
Keep honking, keep honking.
Oh wow! Look at the. Oh wow! It got cleared so suddenly, like because of wind, huh?
Yeah.
It got cleared.
Riding uphill is a uphill task.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's an uphill task.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. We're in control. We're still in control. This is 60th. 10 more to go.
We are going to make a small video. But
Huh. The last 10 bends. And man, the ride was totally worth it. I can say. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, suddenly I got a cold breeze, man. Yep, this is the 70th. We made it to the 70th. You have successfully like
completed
did a
70 hairpin
70th hairpin bend sitting on my bike in the rear.
bends. Yeah.
Yeah, that's your achievement.
Yep.
Should we be happy about it?
Yes, I am almost. Utmost.
He made it to the 70th as well. We will continue. What is this?
Lovely.